Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple Intelligence that is not available on iPhone. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down the list of options and tap on General. This section contains various settings related to your device. Next, tap on Software Update. This will check if there are any updates available for your iPhone. Make sure your device is updated to the latest version. If there is an update available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Keeping your iPhone updated can resolve many issues, including problems with Apple Intelligence. After ensuring your software is up to date, go back to the home screen and open your Safari browser. Now in the search bar, type Apple Intelligence Availability and hit Enter. Once the search results appear, tap on the first link. You should see information about Apple's plans for its new suite of AI-powered tools called Apple Intelligence. According to a report from Bloomberg, these features will be part of the iOS 18.1 update expected to be released on October 28. This update will include various tools designed to enhance user productivity and creativity, with even more features to come in future updates. Now go back to the Settings app and check for any updates again to ensure you have the latest features once they are available. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.